In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the pesky Google Chrome ran out of memory aw snap error. If you've been facing this problem and it's been slowing down your browsing experience, worry not. We're going to walk through some methods to help you resolve this issue effectively. First, let's start by understanding why this error might occur. Often, it's because Chrome has hit a memory limit due to too many tabs being open or extensions consuming a large chunk of your device's memory. So, the goal here is to optimize Chrome's performance to prevent running out of memory in the first place. One of the first things you'll want to try is shutting down some of the tabs you have open but are not using. By limiting the number of active tabs, you free up memory resources, which might be exactly what Chrome needs to function smoothly again. Next, head over to see if there are any extensions that you can disable or remove. Extensions are excellent for adding functionality to Chrome, but they can also be memory hogs. To disable extensions, simply click on the three dots in the upper right corner of your Chrome window, select More Tools, and then Extensions. From there, you can toggle off or remove extensions that you don't actively need. Clearing your cache is another effective approach. Cached files are designed to speed up browsing by storing parts of websites you visit frequently, but they can take up space over time. To clear your cache, click on the three dots again, go to More Tools, then Clear Browsing Data. Be sure to select a time range and tick the boxes for cached images and files before clearing. Adjusting Chrome's settings might also help alleviate the memory issue. Disable hardware acceleration, which sometimes causes problems with memory usage. From the Chrome settings page, look for Advanced, then System, where you'll find the option to toggle off hardware acceleration. If you're still facing the error despite these steps, consider looking into your device's resources. Other applications running in the background may also contribute to memory constraints. Task Manager or Activity Monitor on your computer can give you a snapshot of memory usage across applications, allowing you to make informed choices on what to terminate. Finally, updating Chrome to the latest version can solve many issues as it generally includes patches and bug fixes that can address memory usage problems. Just go to the Chrome menu, select Help, and then About Google Chrome. The browser will automatically check for updates and prompt you if one is available. By following these steps, you should notice an improvement in Chrome's performance with fewer disruptions from memory-related errors. Happy browsing, and see you next time.